Hi, my full name is Andrea Lisa Martinez Gavanzo. I'm City Sur de Bolívar. I'm 25 years old. My email address is angz24 1996 at gmail.com. And I'm independent trader. It's a motorcycle parts warehouse. Live in Arenal Sur de Bolívar. I live in a small town. I live with my mother, my brother, my niece, my sister-in-law, and a friend. Here we built a large, beautiful house consisting of 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, one dining room, uh, one kitchen, and a large patio. Personalities. What are your hobbies? My hobbies are traveling, swimming, and sleeping. What's your favorite food? My favorite food is rice with chicken, pizza, and rice with cheese. What's your favorite movie? My favorite movie? My favorite movie is The Cabin because I just love my dad, and it is a feeling that I still can't heal, and it is the day and I still climb wood. What's your favorite book? Why? I don't like to read, so I don't have a favorite book. Mention some of your qualities, positives and negatives. Qualities, positives. I am a responsible, hardworking, tolerant person. I always try to help those who need quality negatives. I am a person who hardly interacts with people and I get angry very easy. Routine and weekend plan. My daily routine. I get up at 6:15 a.m. Sorry, my daily routine. I get up at 6:15 a.m. Take a shower, have a breakfast at 7 o'clock p.m. I go out to open the business no later than 7:30 a.m. I close the business at on 11:55 p.m. I pick up my niece at the school at 12 p.m. I arrive home and have my lunch, rest for about 1 hour, and open the business again at 1 o'clock p.m. There I am until at 6 o'clock p.m. In the time that I am in business, I dedicate it. I finally have dinner, taking a shower, watch TV, and at 9 o'clock p.m. I go to sleep. What do you usually do on weekends? On Saturday, I open the business all day. On Sunday, I clean the house, and in the afternoon, we eat ice cream with my family. We have dinner in a restaurant, and that's it. A significant person in your life. This is Otoniel Martin. He is my father. He was 51 years old. He is tall, well built, has a small nose, has a small mouth, and thin lips, has a face square, edges small. My father was honest, hardworking, thoughtful, good-tempered, but he was very friendly. My father was his farmer and rancher. He passed away on August 30, 2020. Share some experience. There are experiences that make you feel happy. When my niece Hailey was born on July 30, 2016, seeing her small and defensive and just like my brother was a wonderful experience. Describe an event that made you feel sad, nervous, or worried. Due to the death of my father, my mother has fallen into depression. It is a situation that worries me a lot and makes me sad. But together with my brother, we had been coming out of depression. Finish. Thanks. Bye.